Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a Ram 1500 EcoDiesel. This modification involves removing specific emissions control components from your truck. Understanding the steps and necessary tools is crucial for a successful outcome. We'll cover the main parts of the process, from initial preparation to the final tuning, ensuring you have a clear guide. Before you begin, gather all necessary tools, including a good socket set, wrenches, and a torque wrench. You'll also need a diagnostic scanner to monitor your engine's health and clear any codes. Always prioritize safety by working in a well-lit area and using jack stands or a lift to secure your truck properly. This preparation ensures a smoother process. The core of the delete involves removing the DPF and DEF systems, which are typically located in the exhaust path. Next, you'll address the EGR system, carefully disconnecting and removing the valve and cooler. It's important to properly cap or block any open ports to prevent exhaust leaks or contamination. Take your time with each step for a clean removal. After all hardware is removed, installing an aftermarket tuner is critical. This device reprograms your engine's computer to run correctly without the emissions components, preventing check engine lights and ensuring optimal performance. Double-check all your work, ensuring every connection is secure and there are no leaks. For a fresh ride, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.